Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best Christmas decorations indoor available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have Ogrmar Slipcovers Christmas Decoration. You can protect your chair from stain wear, tear and accidental liquid spill. That's making your chair look brand new as well as decorate your dining room. There is always a color being found to fit your dining room style. It comes in a rich color palette that blends with most room decor. And it will add a stylish appearance to your dining room area. It has stretch that recovers quickly, that's secure fit with sewn and elastic hem. You can transform your old dining room chairs into a sophisticated set using elegant slipcovers. It is perfectly suitable for kitchen, dining room, wedding ceremony, living room, bedroom, etc. At number 6 we have Gift Boutique Decoration. The Gift Boutique Christmas tabletop decorations include 6 elegant and unique holiday designs. These are made of wood and have glitter for added elegance. You can give it as a gift to your host friends or use it for your own home. You can adorn your table, desk, or counter with these adorable Christmas party decorations. These designs include Happy Holidays, Snowman, Merry Christmas, Santa, etc. At number 5 we have DAZONGE Decoration. This decorative outdoor Christmas decorations. That's feature clear joy lettering printed separately on 3 red buffalo check plaid signs with LED bulb string inside. You can add these lights to make your season bright. The adorable Christmas lights are battery operated and run 3x AAA batteries. So you can place it anywhere indoor or outdoor without the worry of needing a plug socket nearby. The LED joy sign measures approximately 48.6 in total length. There comes with hook and double-sided tape. So you can easily hang it on the front door, porch, wall, window, or Christmas trees to welcome this beautiful season. There is a on/off switch on the battery case so you can set the modes at any time to light up your home. This joy sign is absolutely a gorgeous Christmas ornament for the season. At number 4 we have Case. These Christmas pillow covers can decorate your home decoration to Navidad and bring you good luck in 2022. The pillowcase are made of durable cotton linen, soft and skin-friendly and eco-friendly. The pillow core is very easy to install. These Christmas adornos de Navidad para la casa throw pillow cover will refresh your room. This Christmas Navidad decoration pillowcases are a good choice for gifts. The cushion cover is very suitable for your home, family, living room, bedroom, bed, sofa, etc. It is also a super cute gift decoraciones para salas de casa for family and friends. The hidden zipper opening and closing makes the appearance more beautiful, and makes it easier to stuff your pillow into the pillowcase. At number 3 we have AODINI Decoration. The outdoor decorative light string can not only be used for lighting, but also a perfect decoration for indoor and outdoor. This garden string lights are made of high-quality materials and waterproof technology, which are safe, flexible and practical. The lighting and decoration needs of different occasions, and will definitely bring you an elegant and romantic feeling. The lovely and exquisite shape allows you to enjoy the Christmas atmosphere lighting experience. Especially suitable for Christmas festival. The light string is equipped with durable plastic and flexible copper wire. The Christmas ring light can be always on and flickering. At number 2 we have AWQM Decoration. This birch tree set contains 3 sizes of birch trees. 4FD has 48 warm white LED lights. This 5FD has 56 warm white LED lights and 6FD has 96 warm white LED lights. You can meet the need of brightness, energy saving and long life up to 30,000 hours. This birch tree combo kit made of high quality PVC. Stable base of square stand with sturdy trunks. So you can reshape them as desired, sturdy enough to support relatively ornaments. The wrong assembly way of connector will cause the LED lights in the middle area to go down. It is great for indoor and outdoor use such as home, wedding, garden, etc. At number 1 we have Aivanart Decoration. This Christmas table decoration is made of soft cotton material, comfortable and durable. The pattern is clear and vivid and the color is bright and not easy to fade. This table runner is a good addition to farmhouse Christmas decor. And dressing up the room with it will definitely add a lot festive atmosphere. This Christmas dresser scarf can be used in many occasions and furniture. You can put it on the dining table, buffet table, cabinet, outdoor patio table, etc. This red Christmas runner will give your table or other surface a cozy Christmassy feeling. It is a perfect addition for Christmas dining party. The double-sided reversible feature makes it more practical. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best Christmas decoration indoor for kids or your need.